I think Megastars might be one or perhaps two members down right now.
Absolutely, but Team Hindy wants to put the bullet onto its punching, and they succeed. Revenge, and oh, there you go on your face. Gordon,
did you get that? IND got the knock. TSM took the kill.
And Gordon also got the other knock on UME. So they got bullets as shattered away everywhere, and such a small circle, and so many people are alive. That is of course bound to happen as Neo again holding that high ground and still peppering down bullets on all the enemies across the map. And he does spot out Team IND, and IND is in a lot of trouble as I speak of, because they are first thing on the low ground. Team TSM entity has spotted them, and they are out of the vehicles. All the vehicles have almost bursted down, and if the circle does not favor them, how are they going to go in?
Now that is obviously really good positioning by TSM. They are not only up on a high ridge, they are on top of the buildings. They are going to have a clear bird's eye view of everything happening around them, and they are laying down the hammer on Team IND. Team IND again getting caught off. I mean, the plan was that they were going to post up over there at the edge of the zone. Now, if you lose your vehicles, that is going to be catastrophic. Meanwhile, Marcus Gaming's the dude gets a knock on Paradox, I do believe, and Kiki OP kind of had a little bit of a misfooting over there, and he slipped and fell to his knock. I wonder if he can be picked up, but TSM is looking good right now. Bhishma trying to get the smokes out for his teammates for that revive. That is going to be interesting. And have a look at the zone. We are now shifting a bit up to the north. So Hacienda is going to be in contention just for a little bit. I'm pretty sure TSM would be like, you know what, we should have stayed at our house. But there's not going to be a problem for them, because they are going to be entering the zone from the western front. Not a lot of opposition in their way. And if we have a look at the fight going on right now, Jean Mara, of course, we saw them kind of getting pinched in from two teams. And let's increase the number now, because we have a few more in the fray. And Orange Rock finally show themselves on our screens. Meanwhile, Powerhouse is going to be under fire. And I do believe we have two members remaining from Cells. Dark has been knocked out.
Absolutely. And Zebra has got a whole world of job to do, and he is putting those revives on his teammates. They will heal themselves up, but the real question is, how are they going to get inside the circle, provided so many teams are down on the southern side? Look at the number of teams that are rotating right now. So many are going to get caught up. Playzone takes down Atanki, but Iconic is the one who dishes the bullet out on Gunner and knocks him out. Does throw that smoke. He also has to get inside the circle, but Giant Mara are standing in between the way of Team Powerhouse and the circle. Marcus Gaming might just third party here over here. Surya we see coming really close towards Team Extreme's Nico, and does knock him down. Austin X takes down the dude. It's all pandemonium over here, and Powerhouse, they're still trying to move in through the circle. They're still trying to move through the smokes that they've all deployed over the map. Iconic will definitely finish off Gunner over there, but Tashala can really capitalize upon the situation as Sonim takes a beautiful knock towards Iconic, as Powerhouse really pushes it on towards Sonim. Two members are pushed in, and Sonim is all alone right now, XP.
Now, Dark and Nova King are in a good spot to actually put some hurt on Sonim, but if only their team had come as a unit. And Megastars getting eliminated over here. Rexy is going to be knocked out and finished, and that is going to be the end of their run for match number 1. Meanwhile, IND Slayer is on top of TSM Entity. Something that is different. The tables have turned. Now, TSM Entity can be in a world of trouble right now with the bullets flying from overhead. Meanwhile, Jean Mara putting up quite a show, getting a knock on the dude, and a member of Team Extreme as well. Kazi has gone down. Synergy is laying down the hurt of Marcus Gaming. Again, there is complete and utter chaos happening on the northern side of San Martin. And let's have a look at the zone. Where is it going to take us? It is going to be San Martin. So that is going to be a big advantage to Jean Mara and the boys from Powerhouse. Meanwhile, the fight over here between Team IND and TSM is still going to be ensuing. Is that a good grenade? It is just going to be a bit shy to the right. Godlike Gil falling to the play zone. Clutch God lobs a high grenade like a little Hail Mary. Does it do damage? Not a lot. And Godlike are going to be eliminated in 10th position. They were under fire and that play zone doing its high damage coming into effect. But TSM, they need to do something quick over here because Kratos and Trance, the last two members from this team, are going to be applying a lot of hurt. And I do believe Orange Rock got a knock and Trance is going to go in and steal the kill.
Absolutely, and Orange Rock still having the position, and looking by the looks of it, I think they've also
they are pinched
seen
in,
the
mate.
chicken. I think they'll just get the chicken dinner. They've got the perfect position right where they want to be in, and TSM Entity, they are surrounded. They are sandwiched between Team IND and Team Orange Rock as Clutch God gets knocked. Trance trying to pull off something like what Strider did yesterday, but this time he won't be successful as Z-God is on the receiving end and he will take him down. But Team TSM Entity also get wiped out in the process by Team Orange Rock as Team Synergy is trying to fight it against one team, that is Team Elementrix. That takes a lot of bullets from on top, but will definitely knock him down in fashion. And the other guy who was right in front of him got taken away magically and he just vanished. Team Synergy yet again surviving with 5 kills.
Strider does get picked up. That was a little bit of a mishap earlier. Mumbai Esports, they put up quite a show, going out in 6th position, 7 kills. Marcus Gaming following suit with 4 kills to their names. So we are down to the last 4 teams, ladies and gentlemen. It is going to be 12 members still alive. This is going to be something that we are waiting for. Orange Rock in full force again. We know if they reach this mark, it takes a god to break them down, and unfortunately that god has been eliminated from this game. I wonder if anyone else is going to show us something phenomenal today. Nova King and Dark, the last remaining members from Powerhouse, they do have a knock, and I do believe Jean Mara's Extreme is going to be in the line of fire. He's going to get up, he's going to shoot, he's going to connect, he gets that kill. And well, Jean Mara, they were in a very, very, very good position. They are going to be reduced to, I believe, a one-man squad in the name of Sonim. So I wonder what is going to happen over here. Meanwhile, Synergy, again, 5 kills. Synonymous with those kills, these boys are going to try and get another chicken dinner, I beg your pardon, and start their day on a good front. And that drop falling dead smack center in no man's land. I wonder if anyone is going to pick it up, but Dark and Nova King have their work cut out with Jean Mara over here. They've got to be careful. Sonim is the last member. He has moved out. That is his last first aid that he is going to be using. So he's got to be a bit careful. I do see the big dogs in the form of Orange Rock and Synergy right now, but let's not rule out Powerhouse, my dear friend, because, well, I mean, they are a powerhouse, and we both know what Nova King and Dark can do in CQB situations.
But today something is really different. Dark does not have that favorite rock he loves to cling on to. So we'll have to see which building he takes TPP on, as Strider does heal up with applying a few bandages as we approach the last final phases of the game. And I guess Strider might just spot away Sonim when he makes that move. But Dark is the one who gets spotted, and Sonim peppers down a few bullets. But Dark will be safe as of now, and he'll heal himself up. Team Orange Rock, they are not trying to take that fight. They are kind of letting all these 3 fight it amongst themselves, and whoever remains, Orange Rock will go for the prowl on that team. Something what Jonathan did yesterday. So it's on. It's all tense. We'll have to see. Only time will tell who takes this chicken dinner.
See, if I have a look at Jean Mara and Powerhouse, they are in a bit of a pickle, and Ted is going to let loose a few bullets, and those bullets connect. He gets the knock, and with that, the wipe on Jean Mara down to the last 3 teams. Now, Orange Rock, they do have those walls for cover. They have a couple of buildings to their right. Synergy, if you talk about it, they have the high ground, and oh my goodness, Strider almost getting knocked out, almost getting shredded to bits. He is going to survive somehow. Nova King with that Molotov, but Dark with that grenade gets that knock on Strider. That is going to be a boost for them. Nova King goes in for the kill. Meanwhile, Vampire and Diljit are moving in towards the right flank. Powerhouse have to be a bit careful. Dark's going to get spotted out. He gets knocked down. Nova King, the last remaining member from Powerhouse, and the grenade from up top can be devastating. Dark might just get blown to bits, and he does. Synergy instead gets both the kills, and Austin comes in suit. Powerhouse getting eliminated in 3rd position, down to a 3v4 situation. Now, if we have a look at the way the zone is mapped out, they do have the advantage, but forget that. Orange Rock is going in for the kill. They know that they have a knock. Vampire leading the charge over here. Ted, I think, hears them coming. Is he going to shoot through the smoke? Switches to the first person perspective. Gets a few shots out. They do not connect. Grenades being lobbed all over. Mavi holding back and providing assistance from an amazing angle. And that was just brilliant. Synergy getting wiped out in second position with 8 kills to their names. And winner, chicken dinner goes to the boys from Orange Rock. They have shown that they are a steadfast team, and these boys capitalize on the situation that was before us. They took it